Hi, my name is Brian Dress. I'm from Ansley RV, and today we're going to do a walk around of a Keystone Bullet Crossfire 2430BHS. This is going to have an electric tongue jack, two 20-pound propane tanks, very spacious cargo. And as we make our way back to the back, this one is going to have an outside kitchen. With this outside kitchen, you're going to get a nice table and refrigerator. As we make our way to the back, this unit is a fully walkable roof, which is ladder prepped. And it is also going to be prepped for a camera. Spare tire. And as we make our way around the other side, you're going to see there's one slide out. And down here, this is where you're going to have your water connections. This unit is also going to have a full length awning. Now we'll step on inside. On the inside here, this is going to be prepped for a TV. A lot of cabinet space down here for your DVDs and kids' games. And coming back here to the bedroom, you're going to see a nice size queen bed with underbed storage. And then you're going to have two wardrobe closets on each side of the bed with two drawers, and this side is also going to have a laundry chute. On here, a dinette that's going to fit about 5 people. This dinette is also going to turn into a bed. All you do, you remove your pulls, set your table down here on these rungs, and move your cushions. As we move over here to the countertop area, you're going to see this is going to have a nice stainless steel sink, upgraded faucets, and additional cabinet space up here. On this side, starting up here, we're going to have our microwave, our stovetop, 3-burner, and also an oven. Beside this, we're going to have our gas and electric refrigerator, which is going to give you plenty of space for all your camping food. And as we make it back here to the bunks, as you can see, they're double bunks. You can fit about 2 kids on each bunk. Beside the bunks is going to be the bathroom. This bathroom, you're going to see this has a tub, so if you have small children, you can always bath your kids. Toilet and sink with a medicine cabinet. And also back here, we're going to have extra pantry or clothing space for the children and their snacks. You can hang clothes, you can put all kinds of snacks in here. To conclude the walkthrough on the Bullet Crossfire 2430BH, my name is Brian Dress from Ansley RV. If you would like to come take a look at this, please stop by our sales office. Thank you.